Hey guys, it is me, FalcomerG, and today I am basically going to start a new series. This is going to be how to program in Java. Now, this isn't necessarily going to revolve around Minecraft. It's going to be basically Java in general. So let's get straight into this. The first thing you want to do is you want to find your preferred program. I'm going to be using Eclipse. However, there are other programs such as NetBeans and I forgot the other name, but yeah, and it'll have the link for both of those in the description. So let's just start. So I'm gonna open up Eclipse, and if it's your first time opening, or if whenever you open it, it's gonna ask which workspace do you want to use. I'm just gonna use my default one because I don't want to show my other programs. So click OK. Let it load up. So now you notice it is here, and if it's your first time opening Eclipse, you should have an empty package explorer here like I have. Okay, so basically we're going to create a new Java project and write our first class, which will basically run like a basic command really. So you could count this as writing your first Java program if you haven't written any in the past. Okay, so to do that, you want to go to File, New, Java Project. You can name this whatever you like. For the purpose of this, so I don't get confused, I'm going to name mine YouTube. So the name there is YouTube, but you notice we still can't edit it. That is because we still have to create the classes. So we'll create a class, and we'll say new class, and then we can name the class whatever we like. For the purpose of this, once again, I'm going to name it something simple, so first, and you don't have to use a capital letter in the beginning, but however this small f is different to that. Okay, but anyways, that's basically what I'm going to do. You do not want to change any of this, so just click on finished, and now you'll notice that it has written the program container for you. This is just specifying what the class is. Basically, this is telling us that it's a class, and this is the name of the class, and these are start variables and ending variables basically. So whatever's in the line there, and when you press enter the other lines, it's basically what the program will be. Okay, so now basically we're writing the main method, which is the line that's a standard line used to start basically nearly all Java programs. It'll be used throughout my tutorials, so I'd recommend keeping that code in mind whenever you watch one of my videos. Okay, so this is start, so we hit enter and we type in public space static space void space main bracket, and then two brackets like that, and then inside the brackets we type string, two brackets, space args. So we'll keep this in mind, and now let me just go over what this does. So the keywords public static void, they help the method define wait, what am I saying? They help the name define the method. That's basically a good way, well, not really a good way, it's the best way I could think of it. And then the code string args is basically used to pass values through the method. Pass values to the method. So yeah, so this is the method name basically, and then this just passes messages or whatever to the method. Okay, so now we have to write the statement. So wait, something I'm missing here. We have to add in that. We have to add in a squiggly line bracket thing there, and then now we can start. So now we want to press enter and type in system dot out dot print, and then I always write the transfer and look for it here, print in, then hit enter, and then here type in these two inverted commas there, and then type in anything we wanted to say. So I'll make this one say, this is my first Java programming episode, exclamation mark. Okay, so now just a little bit about what this is. These are this is called a statement. As you can see here, it's stating that it's Java program episode, and then this is telling what it should print out of the system, basically. I think that's the best way I can explain it. Okay, so now basically that's it for the first class. So now we just want to save it, and then now I'm going to basically show you how to run this in terminal on Mac and CMD on Windows. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back, and now before I start, I just want to tell you that you can see here that the extension here is .java, but for a Java program to run, it has to have basically a class. So there are many ways of doing this, but I'm just going to show the simplest way. Well, I know two ways. I don't know if there are any other way, but I found this simplest. So we want to navigate to our workspace. So here's where mine is. So I'll just go there. Yes. Finder, documents. Let's download documents. Workspace, YouTube, and I'm going to leave that here to put this to the side for a bit. So this is the three folders that you'll need. 1, 2, 3. Well, basically only need these two, but yeah. Okay, so next what you want to do is you want to open up terminal or CMD on Windows and type in CD, which stands for change directory, and drag in your YouTube or whatever you name this class in this folder to be. Drag it in there. So now it's basically running from the YouTube folder, so basically run into here whatever you type. So now we want to type in Java, because that's what we're dealing with, C, which stands for compile, space, and then click on source, and then drag in first .java. And if there are mistakes, it'll list them here for you. Like when you press enter, it'll list it there nicely for you, but if there are no mistakes, it'll create the class file for you. So you'll notice here we have now first.class because it did not have any errors. So now we are basically going to run the program we just wrote. So you want to type in CD again and drag in your source folder. So it's all run inside the source folder. And then after that you want to type in Java, because we're dealing with, and the name of the class file without the extension. So Java space first, and please note that this is case sensitive. Then it'll just hit enter now, and you'll see there it has printed out what we wrote inside those inverted commas. So yeah guys, that is basically it for the first episode of my programming series. If you want to see more, hit that like button, and if you want to be notified every time I upload one of these, hit that subscribe button. Once again, I haven't said it yet, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.